There are various factors which make me specialize of freelance, and the main factor is that I am specialized in statistics and mathematics. So these are the core of data analytics and the data science. So this is a plus point for me. Second thing, I am not a tool centric. I know how to use the Microsoft Excel when we use the data analytics and the what extent we could use it. I know where we could use the SPSS and what are the merits and demerits of these tools. I know the R programming. I know the Python. I know the MySQL, MongoDB. Sometimes I use some data visualization tools like Power BI and Tableau. Want to make your career in the data analysis field. There is a requirement of some statistical knowledge as a skill, and you should have the knowledge of R programming or the Python programming language and some other tools of the visualization like the Tableau and the Power BI. As per the part of the education, there is no restriction about the education. Either you may be a enter school pass, or you may be a graduate, you may be a postgraduate. For the training point of view, there are so many courses are running online, offline. You could join anyone for the data analysis. Yes, non-technical person can be a data analyst. There is a requirement of basic statistical knowledge. Whenever we get a data set and we want to explore the data, the first task of the data scientist or the data analyst. So for exploring the data, we perform many sort of analysis that is called a exploratory data analysis. There are three parts in this exploratory data analysis. One is the univariate analysis, second is the bivariate analysis, third one is the multivariate analysis. In the univariate analysis, we see the behavior and nature of each variable in each column. And the bivariate analysis, we see the relationship between two variables. And the multivariate analysis, we see the relations of a variable with along with some other variables. So that is the kind of analysis. There are various languages for data analytics, main two languages people do work on data analytics mostly. One is the R programming, the second is the Python programming. For the data analytics purpose, I think the R programming is better than Python programming, because we mostly work on the EDA and the inferential analysis and the some predictive analysis algorithm on the data analysis. The best core language for data science is Python programming. There is R programming is also there, but R programming we generally use for descriptive analysis, or we use for the inferential analysis. For the machine learning and the deep learning, the Python is better. There is very headline difference between machine learning and the artificial intelligence. Both are same, there is only difference of the stages. Machine learning is like an infant and the artificial intelligence is like an adult. So as human being learn, like the machine also learn on the same algorithm, like the supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, and the reinforcement learning. Data analysis is perform the extraction, cleaning, and transformation, visualization of the data, and we have some objective when we perform the data analysis. In the data mining, we don't have any objective. We go deep in a deep dive in the data and analysis of the huge knowledge to find the important patterns and rules in the data set. So this is the difference between data analysis and data mining.